Hello students, welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Guidance Group, one of the best institute for the preparation of competitive examination. Our class offers different services like free counseling session to all aspirants. In these sessions, we will help you to solve your doubts regarding the preparations, mentoring program for MPSC student to get along with the new syllabus, online and offline batches for banking and SSC examination. As a part of our awareness program, we are happy to announce that we are arranging a free workshop on upcoming SBI clerk, FCI and SSC CGL examination on 25th of September. In that, we will discuss detailed notification, exam pattern and how to prepare for these examinations. To attend the workshop, visit our branch or call us.